Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Dog, and this is my kitchen. And today, I'm going to be showing you guys, that's right, how to make the best, that's right, I'm going to say it again, the best Philly cheesesteak calzone. From my home to your home, okay? These are the ingredients that you're going to need right here. You're going to need some shaved beef right here. I got 2 packages of those. Alright. You're going to need a little A1 steak sauce. Some Alfredo sauce. Some cream cheese. Some salt, pepper, and granulated onion with some thyme. You're going to need some flour, which is this right here. But I will leave you a link up here to how I made my own pizza dough. Okay, that's this right here. Alright, y'all see that? Alright. You're going to need some red bell pepper, green bell pepper, mushroom, onions, and right up in here is like some olives, some green and black olives. And you're going to also need some mozzarella and provolone cheese. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and clean this stuff up and we'll get started. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. First of all, I'm on medium heat. We're just going to put some olive oil in here. Just like so. We're going to take our shaved meat. Like throw that in here. Now if you guys want to saute your meat up along with your, not saute your meat, but saute your vegetable up, you can do so as well. I just like fresh vegetables in mine. But yeah, go ahead and saute them up if you like yours like that. I'm just trying to spread this out evenly on here. I did get this meat from Aldi as well, so that you know. I'm going to take our seasoning, sprinkle some of that in there. I like to season mine twice, like when it gets done, then I'll season it again. The only thing that's in this seasoning, I had like a 1/4 teaspoon of pink sea salt, 1/4 teaspoon of granulated onion, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon of thyme. I think I told you guys that, but just in case if I didn't. Like I said guys, I do not rehearse anything. I just get in here and start cooking. Okay? Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and cook this. It shouldn't take no more than about, I want to say good, not even 5 minutes. I'll say about 4 to 5 minutes anyway. Alright, I'll show you how that looks when it gets done. Okay guys, I'm back. Okay, you want to take you like a tablespoon of this A1 steak sauce. You don't want it too tangy, but you want a little of this steak sauce in there. I'm telling you, it makes a big difference. Just gonna stir this up in here. There's tons of flavor, guys. Like that. Now, as promised, I'm gonna just put a little bit more of that seasoning on here. Now we're done with this. Now I'll take you guys back to the table. We start rolling out them pizza bowl balls. Pizza bowl balls. Just the crumb, guys. Alright. Alright, see you guys are at the table in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. Now we're gonna go ahead and make our sauce because it don't make no sense to doing it later, right? So we're just going to take us half of this cream cheese. And we're just going to put that in there. Just like so. We're going to take us some of this sauce. About a quarter teaspoon. A quarter cup. Maybe a little bit more. Alright. We're just going to mix this together, guys. Make sure your cream cheese been sitting out for at least 2 hours, guys, because it needs to be soft, okay, when you're doing this. You only need to put nothing with this. Alright, we're just going to sit this to the side. That's that right there. If you want it creamier, you just keep on whisking until it get real creamier. But that's cool with me right there. Alright, let's get this piece of dough. Let me get some flour on this board first. Like so. Rub this around up on here. Get one of these pizza doughs. Like so. I'm going to flip it this way. Now what I'm going to do is, because this is way too much, I'm just going to cut some of this off. Just like so. See how it's fermenting? See the bubbles in there? Right up in there? All these bubbles. Okay. We're trying to make it round as possible. Now, you can do the stretching and all this stuff, but I like to use this right here. You heard me. Yeah, I'm not a professional chef, so I'm going to use one of these rolling pins. Okay? Like I said, it will pour and all this stuff come back together. If you guys can see this, the bubbles is real in here. Flip that over. Like so. You're gonna come in here with your sauce. Just like so. Alright, that's that. I'm going to come in here with a little cheese. Like so. Come in here with your meat. Just like that. Come in with our olives. The best Philly cheesesteak calzone. Alright, we're going to come in here with some mushrooms. Alright, red bell peppers, just like that. Some onions. Just like that. Some green bell peppers. Alright. Just like that, guy. And we'll take a little of this sauce right here. Put a little bit on top of there. Or you can use some of that sauce from the just use some of that sauce, okay? Then we're gonna come back with some cheese. Y'all like, this dude doing the most. What's he doing? What is he doing? Alright. Then you're going to take this and you're going to flip it. Just like so. Just like that, guys. Alright. Then you take this and you pinch it and you move it around. You do want to get it closer to the edges. Like that. Alright. Alright. That's how you make calzone. Alright. Now if you want to brush it, make it look pretty and all that stuff, you can get you some egg and water and brush it. Okay? Give it a little shine to it. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish up the rest. And I'll show you guys. Well, make sure you guys, first of all, make sure you guys got your oven preheated at 350 degrees. Alright? And I'll show you guys how this stuff turned out after I get through making the rest of it. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm finally done. It took me about 30 minutes to cook this. Now, I do admit on flaws that I had. When I wrap this up, I wrapped it too thin. Don't wrap it thin. Wrap it at least about 8 inches, okay? And then form your pull your dough back. Alright, but saying that to say this, I'm just show you that real close. That's how that looks. And you can see it's kind of thin a little bit. Alright, so guys, if you like this video, please give me a like and a share, and please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit this bell just like that. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in FILMORA's Kitchen. Much love. I'm out of here.